just 700 square miles, twisting truth beneath deceptive smiles. But Manipur is more than numbers can bind, a kingdom of kings, a legacy defined. Manipur was a princely state, never forget this truth. 9 hills rise where ancient echoes remain. Valleys and rivers still whisper our name. Though shadows reach to silence our lore, history stands forevermore. Every heartbeat carries yesterday. Every heart still lights the way. Wake, wake, Manipur, hear the call. Rise together, standing together and tall. Our hearts, our hopes, our living story. United we stand toward a brighter glory. Wake, wake, let every voice unite, holding hope, embracing light. One tomorrow strong and free, together shaping destiny. From fields of sport to art and song, our people shine where courage belongs, representing the country with honor and skill. Yet some try to silence, yet some try to kill our will. Though voices rise to challenge our way, our hearts refuses to fade away. With every step, with every breath, hope grows stronger than fear or death. No more silence, no more fear. Let every honest voice be heard here. Knowledge and wisdom can light the flame. Justice begins when we stand the same. From mountain peaks to valleys wide, we walk together side by side. Different journeys, one shared sky. Hope will live, it will never hear the call, hear the call. Manipur, hear the call. Rise together, standing together and tall. Our hearts, our hopes, our living story. United we stand toward a brighter glory. Wake, wake, let every voice unite, holding hope, embracing light. One tomorrow strong and free, together shaping destiny. Manipur, forever free. Together we shape tomorrow's dream. One people beneath one sky, with hope we stand and we rise.